Most of the noise, believe it or not, comes from the dryers. Dryers are a little bit louder. They've got a fan blowing. It creates some noise. Vast majority of our installations, we box the dryers in so that just the faces are out facing. The rest of them covered with, let's say it's either plywood or in most cases sheetrock, and they can put some sound deadening on the backside of it if they wish. But most situations, that noise is contained in a space behind the dryers, which is also what we need for makeup air. We want unrestricted air coming in from the outside. So having that boxed in helps reduce that noise level. The washers, unless they're spinning out, which creates a little bit of noise, it's not too bad. So we're able to effectively keep the noise kind of hidden behind the dryers instead of it emanating out into the laundry room. Put it this way, is with machines we're pushing, we are not getting any noise complaints. So as long as the panels are in place, the safety is in place, it's properly boxed in on the dryer side, we are not having anybody tell me that we have a noise problem in the laundry room, that it's a major concern.